LED CNC intelligent production line in the production of doors and windows. Continuous and uninterrupted, learning with robot instead of manual. Full servo control of feeding system, intelligent recognition of profile data, automatic adjustment of processing parameters, magnetically levitated. High-speed feeding, the robotic feeding. Speed can reach max 180 meters per minute. Automatic acceptance of production, instructions, rational allocation of work. Processes, seamless and continuous. Operation of laser and milling cutter, efficient and flexible production. Equipped with 3 fixed angle saw blades of plus or minus 45 and 90. Realize synchronous cutting, stronger stability and higher efficiency. Automatic code labeling, each profile, given an ID QR code contains OLEDs. Processing techniques, scanning and sorting through the sorting line. Automatically transferring to the next process. Equipped with a robot to grips the profile and puts it into the machining center. Milling work on the profile process holes. Controlled by servo motors, realize auto, turning and positioning, one clamping. Can complete the milling of 3 surfaces. Arbitrary angle saw blade to mill, the reinforced middle or beveled. Middle mullion and can process. The corner guards and hardware grooves of the window sash. Online with ERP software, buffer, cache. Can hold multiple profiles, 25 floors. Can be customized, can store 50 window. Frames, style or sash, equipped with brakes. Device to prevent falling, reducing placement. Errors and time costs caused by manual, picking and handling. Equipped with 26 servo motors, precise positioning of tools. Starting power, synchronized corner setting, flat corner formation, non-mismatch. Non-manual participation, automatic output. Reducing safety risks during manual handling, reducing labor requirements. According to the buffer system, the assembled frames and fans are placed by RGV trolleys to the storage. Non-manual requires in the installation process, increasing production safety, and solving the problem of low production, efficiency, and high labor demand. Through intelligent scheduling, automatic processing, intelligent transmission, buffer and digital management mode help door-end window enterprises to realize the traditional production mode to digital production change, increase the competitiveness of enterprises.